Here's another example. We need to simplify this expression using exponential notation. So we need to simplify this division problem by using exponents. I've taken our expression and expanded it out. As you can see here, our denominator does not have an n in the denominator. So that I can create two separate fractions, I'm going to do m times 1 on the bottom. Multiplying by 1 does not change anything, but that will allow me to create my two separate fractions. As you can see here, I have my two separate fractions we are now ready to combine. There is an exponent of 1 on our denominator, so we have our base the same, so we will subtract our exponents. 5 minus 1 is 4, so our simplified version is m to the 4th. N to the 6th over 1 stays n to the 6th, so we can just rewrite that as n to the 6th. Our final answer, once you squish it together, is m to the 4th, n to the 6th.